Good evening guys. We are here in Intramuros. Napaaga ang aming punta dito. Chinese New Year daw pero wala naman kaming nadatna. Yan. Yan. Mag-ano lang ng video. Ng view. Yan. Nagpo-posing-posing si madam.
Dapat na camera ha?
Camera na.
Okay na, okay na.
Yes, finished already all. Wow. Wow. Yan guys. Tintin. Ito lang guys. Nadatnan namin. Wala nang iba. Nice view guys. Yan. Dali na! Naman yung i-respectan nyo. Yan. Enough na rin. Enough na. Okay.
Hi. Wow.
With Kuya. I mean, don't run. You will.
Mega picture.
There. Oh, there.
Oh my God, there's sticker here. Mommy, do you want to be there? I'm starving.
Oh. You see.
Oh my God, it's picture.
Don't run. Ay, naku naman si Narin doon, oh. Picture tayo doon tapos uwi na tayo. And guys, nandito kami sa Intramuros. Ha?
Ay, tatambol. Kita mo?
God. Ayun, oh.
Ha?
Doon tayo. Andun yung mga ano ng
May
ano.
naririnig ka nga.
Oh my God, look at that.
Ay, gago
Doon, no?
na LRT. Kala ko yung mga nagtatakbo.
Oh, it's there.
Naring.
Hindi adat ka, hindi stress na sa buho.
Oh my God.
Tara na. Wala naman eh.
Wala ko na dito.
Ha?
Maganda yung camera.
Oo. Kaya nga, nakakain na tayo doon. Kung saka yung mall.
How about there?
Nantok na ako.
Bilihan nyo muna ng pagkain yan kaya nagwawala na nga eh. Tara na rin. Bili na tayo ng food mo. You like it na rin?
Yeah, I want one. I want one like box like that.
Huh?
Me and I want one like
What?
Look at there. Also, there's a lot of them underneath
Yes.
here. Look. Oh, I wanted to see the movie.
No movie now.
Oh my God. You can even sit over here. Let's here, Papa. Let's sit here. Come here, Papa. We'll come here tomorrow.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, we're gonna be left.
Yes.
Oh.
Wala kami na pala guys, kaya uwi na kami. Hindi pala ngayon.
Yeah, we didn't even watch the movie because it was already nighttime and it's the time that it stopped. It was finished. We missed the watch. Right, Tita Linden?
Yes.
So,
Okay guys, bye bye.